Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2018 Jeep Wrangler 2-door, and as you can see it's from the Jurassic World movies. The casting is by Matchbox, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Jeep out of its box, and the first thing you will notice it's finished in a beige paint with a black hardtop, but misses out on details in the front. Neither headlamp nor grille is detailed. Neither turn indicators are detailed. You can see the bumper is placed for fog lamps, but it's not detailed either. And you also got a skid plate. Looking at the front, you can see it's got both the mirrors. At least that's good. And you can also see the latches for the hood, which are detailed, surprisingly, which is again a good thing. You got both the windshield mirrors and the scoop on the hood. So I'm assuming it's a movie car. I think because that only gets the scoops. Now, coming to the driver's side, this is where you actually realize it's a Jurassic World movie-based Jeep, because you got the dinosaur symbol of the Jurassic Park on the side, and you got the biosyn. I think those were the genetics labs that basically made the Jurassic Park in the movies. You also got the step on the side, again good detail. We have seen these wheels on actually a lot of different Matchbox. They have the Matchbox writing on the side. Look kind of off-roady, so that's good. As I said, it's got a hard roof, so you got the black opening panels. So if you ever sat in a Jeep or have seen a Jeep, these panels come out, and you can also take these off. It can be like a roadster, I guess. Also on the driver's side, you got the fuel filler, and you can see some details on the tail lamp too. You also got the Jeep Wrangler badge here, and small black thing. I have a Jeep, so I know it says trail ready, but you can't really read it here. The latches are detailed, so is the door handle, and these wheel arches or flares are in black, non-painted. Coming to the rear, again some good details, some it misses out on. So tail lamps are detailed from the side, but on the back they are not. You got a spare wheel, obviously. You got a bumper, not body colored, but you also got this attachments, supports for the rear door. And if you look closely, there kind of shows like how you can open the rear glass. It has that pivot point here. So good details there. Now coming to the passenger side, well, this is kind of weird. It has got fuel filler, so it has got a fuel filler on this side too. I'm not sure if it's a mistake or the movie Jeep had those. Might be. Interior is done in black. In the front there's no glass, so you can, if you want, you can look inside. Jeeps are very basic interior, so not much. But I don't know if you can see, there is like tools in the back. So you've got chainsaw, you've got some chains. So basically it's a, in case of emergency it can work. Yeah, it's got some nice detail. It misses on some, but overall I think it's a good casting. And the tail assist messes, you can basically add those and make it look even better, in my opinion. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.